The universe is full of mysteries. We humans have always sought to understand the world around us. Now, we have a powerful tool to help us: machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. They fall, they get up, and they try again. With each attempt, they learn. Machine learning is similar. It enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Machine learning is important. It helps us automate tasks. This frees up humans to focus on more creative and complex problems. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive data sets. They can find patterns and insights that humans might miss. This ability to learn from experience is key to solving complex problems. Machine learning is also adaptable. It can adjust to new data and changing conditions. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. How does machine learning work? It's like baking a cake. First, we need ingredients. In machine learning, the ingredients are data. We collect data from the real world. This data could be anything: images, text, numbers. Next, we need a recipe. In machine learning, this is the algorithm. The algorithm is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to learn from the data. We feed the data to the algorithm. The algorithm analyzes the data and learns patterns. This process is called training. Once the algorithm is trained, we can test it. We give it new data that it has never seen before. The algorithm then uses what it has learned to make predictions. The more data we feed the algorithm, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. There are different types of machine learning. One type is supervised learning. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You give it commands and rewards. Supervised learning is similar. We provide the algorithm with labeled data. This means we tell it what the data represents. The algorithm learns to map inputs to outputs. Another type is unsupervised learning. Think of a child sorting toys by shape and color. They don't need explicit instructions. Unsupervised learning is similar. We give the algorithm unlabeled data. It must find patterns and relationships on its own. This is useful for tasks like clustering and anomaly detection. The last type is reinforcement learning. Imagine training a robot to navigate a maze. It learns through trial and error. It receives rewards for correct actions and penalties for incorrect ones. Reinforcement learning is similar. The algorithm learns by interacting with its environment. It aims to maximize rewards and minimize penalties. Machine learning is already changing our world. It powers spam filters, recommendation systems, and self-driving cars. It helps us diagnose diseases, personalize education, and even predict earthquakes. The possibilities are endless. Some common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. These are tools in the machine learning toolbox. They help us solve a wide range of problems. Machine learning is a powerful tool. It helps us understand the universe and solve complex problems. As we continue to explore its potential, we can unlock new possibilities and create a better future.